Fukushima plant disaster. A suggestion for containing the water. Date is the 5th of February 2014. Point 1. Fukushima plant needs 90-foot high seawall to prevent further tsunami damage. Point 2. Leaking radioactive water should be contained within the seawall. Point 3. Contained water should be cooled and recirculated around damaged reactors. 4. Recirculation water should be filtered to remove radioactive particles greater than a certain size. Point 5. Passage of recirculation water should be directed along concrete bay which has large titanium anodes and suitable cathodes, similar in theory to castor calcium for sodium extraction from brine. Point 6. The electrolytic bath will collect radioactive positive ions of iodine, strontium and cesium. Point 7. The cathode will need to be interchangeable, renewable and therefore possibly regeneratable, as it will become highly radioactive over time. The cooling water, possibly brine or even whatever, should become less and less radioactive over time. It can be handled easier, it is reusable, can be discharged into the sea with less harmful effects. Amateur sketch of possible electrolytic chamber of concrete showing radioactive water inlet containing, if it's brine, sodium, chlorine, iodine, strontium, cesium plus others. Highly charged, close together plates in the electrolyzing bay, positive and negative. The anode will collect the chlorine from the splitting of the sodium and chlorine atoms, plus any other negatively charged ions. The cathode will attract all of the positive radioactive ions and the sodium ions. The less radioactive water will be guided out of the chamber to be pumped round the circuit again. It will obviously need to be cooled either before going into the chamber or coming out of the chamber, or both. The water can be recirculated, it can be diluted, and it can be withdrawn when conditions require it. This is just an idea. We'll need some researching to see if it is feasible, but it is better than doing nothing. Time to save our planet and the creatures that depend upon it.